Tropical update as of 7:30 a.m. PST. Tropical storm Erin has weakened, has 55 knot winds, moving over the cold waters of the MDR. I mean, look at that. Still had a well-defined LSC, moving west or south of west. And in the next 24 to 36 hours, they're going to move back into warmer water. Favorable conditions and should we strengthen her is the track westward or south to westward for the next 24 to 36 hours, becoming a hurricane by midweek, by Wednesday, then turning west-northwestward north of the islands. Here's the latest models which supports this idea, and later on, about 7, 8, 9 days, it turns westward. Most likely. GFS neighbors, this 16Z, it shows this. And it's going to be a trough off the East Coast, almost certainly. It's going to move it northward between Bermuda and the United States, or maybe even right into Bermuda. This is a system most likely going to be watched in Bermuda. GPS also shows this. A little bit more westward overall. Intensity models still show Cat 2, maybe Cat 3 longer term. Caught a hurricane by 60 to 72 hours. The dependable ones. Yeah. As for the west of the Atlantic, it is absolutely quiet. I mean, we were watching a little bit of a low pressure Louisiana right now, but extremely doubtful forms. Another system right about there, doubtful. Ain't see what's going with about 10% for it, but extremely doubtful. Northern Gulf has 0. Nothing expecting short-term to form in the Atlantic. Maybe another system comes off Africa in a couple of days that could be worthy of watching. 192 hours, there's another system off Africa. Go back to 144. Yeah. This is GFS. 216 headed northward. Here's the other system off Africa. 240. ECMWF 144. ECMWF is actually more westward. I doubt it, but it's worth keeping an eye. CMC north of Puerto Rico. Finally, we're going to show you the only other system we've been watching, which is Henriette. Here's last night. This is an incredible system. It's still dark there. I mean, and you can see it's still probably about 55 to 60 dots in my opinion, heading northwestward. There it is, has 60 dot winds, moving northwestward, which is based on the models, affected in a loop back east at 4 or 5 and about 3 to 4 days. Expecting to clearly weaken, potentially into or low in the next 36 hours. As for the rest of the East Pacific, it's going to be quiet for the next few days, and that's just the way it is. That is your tropical update.